So here we are using the colorful dough as well as white dough. So just making a hole on the colorful and stuffing it in this way, so you will get a mushroom is ready. Pouring this kind of dough, this much of dough to make the stick of the mushroom. In the next we are making a green dough, a circle, now making a hole in between, pouring this white 3 balls, so it's a pea-like structure. It's ready. In the next we are making here a carrot by using the dough, a colorful dough. Basically we are using here a red color dough, green lines to put it on the top. In the next we are going to make a reddish, so just what you need this structure. You need a green dough as well as white dough. Put it all together, making a tail on downward side using the scissor to make it look more authentic, and after this done, this green lines and putting it onto the top. In the next we are going to make a corn, so what you need a yellow dough and just making this like structure and putting all together onto the white dough. Corn is almost done, is almost ready. In the next we are going to make another way of things, so just using the green dough, making a cut with knife, making its root with white, and it's ready. So here again we are going to make a corn. The difference is that here we are making a pieces of corn. So after this done, making a cut and putting it onto the white dough, rolling it up, making a cut by using the scissor on the top. In this way you will get the result. In the next here we are using the hot pink dough, putting it up onto the white dough, just twisting it up by making a cut with knife, just rolling it up, and it's ready. In the next here we are using a yellow dough, making a line, now using this stick in this way. So you will get another way of corn is ready. Now it's turn to make the leaf with green, putting it over it, and it's ready. In the next we are using the dough, a white dough, by stuffing this brown thing into it, making it flat, folding it up, now making a cut in between, just twisting it up as we did before, and after this turn we are gonna rolling it up. In the next we are inserting the black dough into the white, making a flat, using the comb to make a design, and after this done, using this stick, it will look like a pearl. In the next using a yellow dough, making a line with the help of knife, using this stick in this way, so it shapes like a corn. Now making the downward side a flat, using the knife to make a line, putting it up, so another way of corn is ready. So here we are going to do stuff, so just using the knife to make a cut on the downward side, twisting it up with the help of finger as we did before. It's time to roll, it's ready. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.